Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video we are going to talk about the forex trading signal analysis. So before going to that analysis, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then guys please do subscribe it, because we are doing two types of live streaming these days and that could make you a successful trader. So guys, if you are not attending our live sessions, then it means that you are doing a big mistake, because we are getting a lot of knowledge. I am sharing a lot of knowledge in my live streaming videos. So I come online daily at 2 p.m. GMT +5 for live trading, and we trade with your recommendations, and then I rectify your mistakes. So overall guys, do not miss that opportunity. And in the second part of the day, I am doing some sort of scalping by executing different trades on a live account, and then you will be able to catch you can also understand those trades as well, that why I have taken such trades. So this is a question for you guys. You can watch the live streaming that is just closed a couple of minutes ago. You can watch those the video already posted on YouTube. Okay guys, let's get to the point that about the signal service. So this is the signals report that I have supplied to the subscribers in the morning. So USD Canadian dollar with a bullish signal from 139672 and 141594 is the target price. And guys, you can see how well USD Canadian dollar has moved up. So I congratulate all my traders who are subscribed to my signals list. They must have ended up with a very good profit, because USD Canadian dollar has went so much high, and that was my recommendation. At next guys, I am going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So I have supplied the bearish signal on Great Britain Pound JPY from 134545 and 132403 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on Great Britain Pound JPY already. So if you have caught this drop, then guys, I can surely say that my subscribers must be in a profit, because there was a perfect chance to enter into the sell position right from here when this candle was closed below the entry, and after that you can see it has massively gone down. So overall, congratulations to all those guys. Moreover guys, I'm going to share this one thing with you. Eric has doubled his account, and he has sent me a message that's April 4 until today, making good profit scalping and using signals. So scalping, he's using the live streaming that I'm playing on a daily basis, and he's also subscribed to my signals list. And guys, he's the same person who has learned forex coaching trick from my side. And guys, you can see his deposit was $500 and he collected the 511.90 by using my signals and the scalping series that we have started. So overall, a very good work from his side. So guys, if you also want to be a successful trader, then I recommend to you to join this signals group, because we are doing a very good job till now. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. This is the third signal of my signals report. So guys, I have posted the bearish signal on Great Britain Pound USD. So let me take you towards the chart first. Okay guys, so you can see I have supplied the bearish signal from 125619 and 124810 was the target price. And guys, you can see that the market exactly hit the target price with no problem. So I congratulate all my traders who have taken the trades on Great Britain Pound USD in a bearish way. With the sell position, they must have collected a very good profit. At next, I'm going to talk about New Zealand USD, that second signal of my signals report. So with a bearish expectation from 060233 and 059058 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop already on New Zealand USD. So guys, if you have traded New Zealand USD today as per my signals report, then you must be in very good heavy profits. At next, I am going to talk about AUDUSD. So guys, let me take you towards the signals report so that I can show you my signal. I have supplied the bearish signal on AUDUSD from 063506 and 061710 was the target price. And guys, you can see a strong bearish trend on AUDUSD already. And if you have traded this one, then your MT4 terminal should show a blue profitable trade. At next and at last, let's talk about EURJPY, which was less volatile today, but overall the signal is bit satisfied. I have supplied the bearish signal from 117266, and guys, you can see that overall it went down for 3 hours, and after that it's again retesting the entry. So overall, if you have done scalping on this one, then it must be a profitable trade at your end. Okay guys, you know that we are using this trading system and in a very perfect way for our live streaming videos. So guys, if you are not going to be live at 2 p.m. GMT plus 5, then it means that you are going to miss a lot of content. So just make sure that you come online daily at 2 p.m. GMT plus 5 so that you can take the coaching session that we do in our live streaming, and I highlight a lot of mistakes and a lot of knowledge is spread during that session. So you must learn from that session. So guys, make sure that you come online at 2 p.m. GMT plus 5. Moreover guys, you know that we are using this trading system that indicates the overbought and oversold levels. Like for example, the market is right into the overbought levels and you can see USD Canadian dollar is pumping down, and previously it was at the oversold levels. That's why the market has bent up. Guys, this is how we use the trading system. So guys, if you are willing to get this trading system, if you want to get this expert advisor that I am promoting, you can watch my previous videos. If you want to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signal service, that how I come to know in the morning that USD Canadian dollar is going to be bullish or bearish. So this is based on a trick, and I teach this trick on Skype for 3 days, and you can learn this trick for me. I am open for appointments right now because the last appointment ended today, and guys, you can book your next appointment with me for taking the coaching session. So guys, if you want to learn that trick, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this guys, you need to send your emails on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.